We've added a new feature in Cognition for AutoTrader Connect export customers. You can now manage your vehicle's optional features directly in the platform. This will soon be available to anyone using AutoTrader data, and we'll let you know once it's rolled out more widely. In this video, I'll show you how to add, edit and dismiss optional features. Firstly, a quick note. If you have high permissions, there's a configuration option that lets you decide whether AutoTrader's factory-fitted VIN spec items should be added to the vehicle spec list automatically, without needing manual review. For the purposes of this demo, I'll keep this switched off so that you can see the full process. Start by opening a vehicle in Cognition and completing a reg lookup. If there are optional features to review, you'll see a flag appear in the top right. Go to the Specs and Features tab, and you'll now see a new panel at the top with the optional features ready for review. Factory-fitted items are shown at the top of this list, already ticked and with a VIN spec flag. From here, you can tick or untick items depending on whether it's actually on the vehicle. You can edit any items using the pencil icon, or if there are no relevant options, you can dismiss the panel entirely, either temporarily, no, I'm not finished, or permanently if you don't want to see it again. Once you're happy with your selection, click Add these features. You can choose to remove the remaining unticked items right away. Yes, I'm all done. Or keep them for review later. No, I'm not finished. In this example, I'll add the 2 selected items and dismiss the rest. The chosen features have now been added to the main vehicle features list. You can drag and drop to reorder them as needed. Finally, don't forget to save the vehicles to confirm your changes.